How to log into US Bank's credit card account. Now in order to log into the credit card account of US Bank, just simply open any of your browser and then search for US Bank. Then this first link of usbank.com will appear. Under that, you will see the option of credit cards. Select credit cards, and after selecting credit cards, it will open this section where you will get to see the option of login from the very top right corner. Tap to login button and it will open a new page where you can enter your credentials to log in to your credit card. You can choose either to log in with password or with your pass keys. Now in order to log in with your password, simply enter your username at very first, and after entering username, enter your password in second row. And you can also check this box if you want to save your login information in your browser, otherwise you can leave it as it was. Then tap to log in with password in order to log into your specific account. This way you can very easily log in to your US Bank's credit card account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.